Unraveling the meaning of saw wood, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting phrase to discuss, saw wood. At first glance, this phrase might seem quite straightforward, but it actually has a few different meanings that we're going to explore together. So, let's dive in and learn something new today. First and foremost, let's talk about the literal meaning of saw wood. When we break down the phrase, we have the word saw, which is a tool used for cutting, and wood, which is the hard substance that makes up the trunk and branches of trees. So, literally, saw wood means to cut wood using a saw. This is a common activity in carpentry and woodworking. Interestingly, saw wood also has an idiomatic meaning. In informal English, particularly in American English, sawing wood is a phrase used to describe someone snoring loudly while they sleep. The sound of the saw cutting through the wood is compared to the loud and rhythmic sound of snoring. So, if someone says, "He was sawing wood all night," they mean that the person was snoring very loudly. Now, let's talk about how to use saw wood in a sentence. If you're using it in its literal sense, you might say something like, "I spent the afternoon sawing wood for my new bookshelf." On the other hand, if you're using it to describe someone snoring, you could say, "My roommate was sawing wood last night, and I couldn't get any sleep." For English language learners, it's important to pay attention to the context in which saw wood is used. If the conversation is about sleep or snoring, it's likely that the idiomatic meaning is being used. However, if the conversation is about carpentry, construction, or woodworking, the literal meaning is probably what's intended. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, saw wood. We hope this video has been informative and has cleared up any confusion about how this phrase can be used in English. Remember, understanding idiomatic expressions is a big part of becoming fluent in a new language, so keep up the good work and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. Until next time, happy learning!